If I would tell you that there's something that really levels up your career, gives you access to free top-tier mentors, also a bunch of lectures where you can ask them questions, promote your work, and even pays you for this, what would you say? Maybe like, this sounds too good to be true. Well, I'm super excited to announce our next upcoming online hackathon, XRCC Online. For 4 weeks, you have the chance to be together with 3,000 plus other XR designers and developers across the whole world, working with top-tier mentors who will support you, give you lectures, feedback, everything, all of this for free, with a prize pool of $10,000 and, very important, support after the event. Because one of the things that is really frustrating, for me at least as an organizer, also back then when I was joining hackathons, is that there's usually nothing going on after the event. You build a cool project, you have something very nice, you have a cool portfolio piece, but then it just like dies off. But we will also support you once you are finished with our partners. We have partnerships with Meta, AEE, Valem, and so many others also. We will promote your work. We will also support you guys, whatever goal you have. Really, like, there's so many real life stories that we already had from our last year's event. Some people actually got invited to Meta Connect because of their projects and then were showcasing their projects to the Meta team. Some people actually got to showcase their project at AEE on the stage for free.
I was given the opportunity to take my app and pitch it on stage at AEE.
Insane. Meeting investors, meeting other people, meeting their peers, and just building their network like crazy. We even have some people who got a job a few days after the event. That is also really fascinating. So there's like a lot of ways, and I think hackathons is one of the ways that really help to elevate you, your brand, your projects, whatever you want to do. And if you still think, hey, this is too good to be true, there's no strings attached, like you own the project, you can have your own time frame, you can use any SDK or any technology you want to. It's starting in October 30th, so check it out as long as we are open, because we are closing a few days after the event opens, of course, so we kind of like can fully focus on supporting the ones who are inside. Check out the link in the description. It's gonna be really simple actually, and then you will get access to our Discord, to our Notion package, to all of the lectures. Looking forward to this. If you have any questions, easy peasy, just leave them below, we will answer them. But yeah, very excited to get this started and having you joining us for our final push for this year, and can't wait to see what amazing projects come out of this. We will showcase them, our partners will showcase them, and see you on the other side.
It helped me to grow personally and professionally.
We felt that sense of being part of a community.
For me, it was a life-changing experience.
That's unique, and that's actually a next level hackathon for me personally.
The workshops give a lot of value, even for someone who is not exactly new to XR.
Everyone's super friendly.
I love everything, to be honest. You meet so many people with different backgrounds.
Now I feel a lot more confident in building XR apps by myself.
The onboarding experience was so smooth and flexible. If I needed something, I had an amazing support network.
I was given the opportunity to take my app and pitch it on stage at AEE.
I saw a lot of excitement in the community, many really cool projects that came out of these.
It was not only easy to communicate with mentors, but also throughout like the whole challenge with all the people, and how easy it was to actually find the team.
The XR Design Challenge and the Builders Program jump-started my XR career, all right out of post-grad.
It's probably one of the best experiences so far in hackathon history.
Definitely come, participate. It's a great event, very well run, very organized.